Good morning everybody, we are on day 4 of the Siobhan's Craft hand dyed yarn advent calendar today, and we've got days 1, 2 and 3 just to the side here, and we're going to go in with number 4. I can see purple. Ooh. Oh wow, love this one already. Now I really wish at the beginning that I hadn't started pronouncing the names, because now I'm going to look like a fool because I don't know how to say some of them. Anyway, I'm just going to show it you. There you go. Carawhite? Who knows? Don't know whether it's a silent H, proper H. It's a mystery to me. Anyway, beautiful, beautiful purples in this one. Absolutely loving how deep and rich those colours are for this beautiful purpley shade. Oh, I've made an S. I'll pretend it's for my husband. There you go. So there we go. That is, what are we? Day number 4 is this beautiful mottley purple and grey, and I absolutely love this. I think it's really beautiful. So again, I'm making a nice little line of yarn sausages here, and it's going to be absolutely massive by the end. I'm probably going to need to zoom out a little bit. So that was day 4, and I'll see you tomorrow.